Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you like shoes? Yes, I enjoy wearing shoes because they are stylish, comfortable, and functional. Shoes are an excellent way to express yourself while also completing an outfit. They can also provide foot support and protection. Question number 2. Do you prefer to wear shoes that are comfortable or fashionable? I like to wear shoes that are both comfortable and stylish. I value comfort and enjoy expressing myself through a fashionable pair of shoes. I can look and feel good by wearing shoes that are both comfortable and fashionable. Question number 3. How many pairs of shoes do you have? I have about 10 pairs of shoes. I like to have a variety of shoes so that I can find the perfect pair for any occasion. I also like to have a variety of options for different activities, such as going to the gym, running errands, or going out with friends. Question number 4. Do you like shopping for shoes? Yes, I enjoy shopping for shoes because it's enjoyable to look through different styles and find the perfect pair. I enjoy seeing how different shoes can change the look of an outfit and make a statement. Shopping for shoes allows me to express my individual style. Question number 5. Do you think it is reasonable to spend a huge amount of money on shoes? The individual and their financial situation are what determine it. Some people believe that spending a lot of money on shoes is reasonable if they want quality and a specific style. Others, however, may not find it reasonable because there are numerous affordable options available. Question number 6. Have you ever bought shoes online? Yes, I have previously purchased shoes online. It is convenient and allows me to compare different styles and prices. Online shopping also makes it simple to compare prices and find the best deal. Question number 7. Do you spend a lot of money on shoes? No, I don't spend much money on shoes. I usually look for good deals and shoes that are both comfortable and fashionable. I like to shop around and compare prices to get the best deal. Question number 8. What kind of shoes do you usually wear? When I go to the gym or run errands, I usually wear trainers or running shoes. I usually wear dress shoes or sandals to more formal occasions. For everyday wear, I also have a few pairs of boots and casual shoes. Question number 9. Do you like expensive shoes? The quality and style are what determine it. Expensive shoes can be worthwhile if they are made of high-quality materials and have a fashionable appearance. However, I don't believe that spending a lot of money on shoes is necessary. There are plenty of affordable options available. Question number 10. Why some people love to buy a lot of shoes? Some people enjoy purchasing a large number of shoes because it allows them to express their style and provides them with a wide range of options. Shoes can also be used to finish an outfit or make a statement. Buying a lot of shoes is a way for some people to express their personal style and have fun with fashion. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.